We have a new mountain house.
She needs a little work, and we're going to try to document the whole process for you. First job is always clearing the land. Just a quick and easy half-day job. And up here in the mountains, you won't end up with those Bulgarian jungles like elsewhere when you leave your garden untouched for a few days. But you do need to rescue some salamanders. And with that done, it's time to get the prep work underway. And we've drafted in a specialist today. It's everybody's favorite, Rumen. Zdrasti, Rumen, как си?
Добре.
Успя ли да стигнеш днеска лесно?
Трудно.
Трудно се намира къщата. Няма други къщи наоколо.
Няма и се седи.
Нямаше кой да те опъти.
Нямаше.
Now that's the kind of house everybody wants. So yeah, the best thing up here in the mountains is that there's no neighbors, no nosy expats, and no one else to complain, so you can do whatever you want. But we have all winter to get her ready for you.